I used AI to help me fix my freeze dryer. So I want to share that with you just in case you run into the same problem, but also to show you an example of how you can use AI to help you troubleshoot and fix things quickly. So I have here my Harvest Right freeze dryer, and it's been great. I ran into an issue where it wasn't having the sufficient vacuum that it needed in order to complete the freeze drying process, and it kept throwing an error. And so I tried 3 different times to restart the batch, and it just would keep erroring out, saying that it wasn't able to get a vacuum, and I'm supposed to check the O-rings and check the drain valve, things like that. All that stuff checked out. But I kept running into this vacuum issue. And so I went onto my phone and I used the Harvest Right app. And they've got a chat bot where you can chat and try to troubleshoot and figure out what's going on. And you've got this display panel here that'll give you some information. It's showing that the milliliters, or the amount of vacuum, is just not sufficient. So I'm using the app, trying to figure it out, troubleshoot with the Harvest Right chatbot, and it just wasn't giving me the right information, and it wasn't really helping me to troubleshoot very well. So I used my phone and I used ChatGPT, and I just explained the model of the Harvest Right freeze dryer I have. I took a picture of the error message that was being displayed here and asked what could it be, what could be the issues. And the AI was able to identify 2 to 3 things to check that the Harvest Right app wasn't recommending. And I started to remember that I've done probably about 25 batches with this vacuum pump here with the same oil. And so I just asked a question because it said one of the issues could be something with the vacuum pump and with the oil. So I said, hey, I've done about 25 batches with the same oil. Could that lead to an insufficient vacuum? And then it actually explained to me in detail why that might be. And it was basically saying that the oil can actually have moisture that actually gets into the oil and causes the pump to not work sufficiently. So I should have known that, but I was actually able to save a bunch of time by using AI to help me more accurately troubleshoot this device rather than the vendor's application itself. And so it was just a great way for me to save time and have a better tool to do some troubleshooting on the Harvest Right freeze dryer. And once I realized that I needed to change that oil, I changed it, and I was back in business with freeze drying. So I wanted to share this as an example of how you can use AI to help you troubleshoot appliances, and in this case, it helped me to fix my freeze dryer. I hope this tip saves someone else some time, and if this video was useful or helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel. That would be great. My goal, as you all know, is here to help you to learn more about AI and how you can use it in your everyday life, whether personally or professionally. I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.